Let me show you what's happening out there right now. We don't have any severe weather. You know what? The severe weather is not a concern as we head through tonight, and flash flooding is not a concern either. That doesn't mean we won't have a little bit of heavy rain that could create some ponding on area roads, but from Collin County into Denton and Dallas and Tarrant County back into Parker County, a little bit of thunderstorm activity. You can see a little lightning here or there, and that's okay. It's the end of summer. You know, we have lightning with these thunderstorms. Not much happening right now up around Howe, down 75 toward Melissa and Anna. We have a little bit of rain. Outside of Salina, some rain. Parts of Frisco picking up a little bit of rain here on the west side of McKinney, right around 121 on Sam Rayburn. Here's the tollway heading off to the north. So we have a little bit of rain on, especially on the west side of the tollway in Denton County from Little Elm down to Colony. Some lightning here around Louisville on the southern end of the lake and in the town of Louisville itself. And at Carrollton, you're also picking up a little thunderstorm activity, but nothing severe. Same thing kind of stretching off to the southwest down toward Fort Worth, North Fort Worth, and just on the west side of town. And then look at the Tarrant and Parker County line. Those little thunderstorms developed here right along the Brazos. That's moving off to the southwest. All these other storms are just, for the most part, just sitting in place. So there we are, little thunderstorm activity out there. That's great news. I mean, there's a lot of, I know parts of Dallas and Tarrant County had 9 to 15 inches of rain, but that's 2 counties out of, I think we have like 40 some counties in our viewing area. That's 2 out of about 40. The rest didn't pick up a whole lot of rain. Some spots didn't see any at all, so a little bit of rain's good news. I just updated this model with the latest data. So we'll have a little rain, 40% of us pick it up overnight, but that's the radar at midnight. See how it kind of fizzles out there? We get a little redevelopment towards sunrise tomorrow. And again, I'm not saying the severe weather threat is 0. It's not 1, it's maybe a half. The flooding threat is really, really minimal. I have no flooding in my forecast overnight or during the day tomorrow, or really at any time this week, like we saw last week, a week ago today, last Sunday night, and then again last Monday morning. But a little ponding on it. You know, if you get a little thunderstorm sitting on top of you, you're going to have a little ponding on a road or a low-lying area. So that's a possibility as we head through the week. But generally speaking, it's scattered, and then it just kind of moves along. You saw the radar at 7. That's the radar tomorrow at noon. That's at 1 o'clock. That's at 2 o'clock. You see how it's just kind of scattered across the area? Then it starts to fizzle out as we head through tomorrow evening. So we will keep a little bit of rain around, but during the day tomorrow, about half of us pick up rain, higher coverage to the south and lower coverage up to the north. So my forecast has all that in it. About 40, maybe 50% of us overnight. Most of it will end by morning. Then we'll have a little bit of redevelopment. So 75 is a low tonight. Then during the day tomorrow, we'll hit 91. It's going to be a warm day. It's going to be a humid, it'll be a muggy day. About half of us pick up rain as we head through tomorrow. There's the next 10. Low rain chances in the forecast. Rain chances go down as that forecast moves along, but there is a chance. It may only be 10% coverage in our forecast, but there is a chance of rain each and every day through Labor Day itself. And that is considering the Labor Day forecasts we've had in the past, that's a really good looking Labor Day forecast. High temperatures near normal, and near or a tad below normal, and a low chance of rain. Not bad at all for the end of August and now as we head into the first part of September.